Okay, so I just wanted to show you the finished product of a game I call The Dice Will Decide. And I've decided to go with these pill boxes that I bought at the dollar store. They had a lot of them, and they kind of serve the same purpose. So what I ended up doing was I ended up taking Comic Life, and I put all these exercises that I found off of one of Jared Robinson's apps inside the box. Now I had to shape out the box to make sure it was the right size. And I just printed out all these and then cut them out, and then here it is. So the students start here, they roll the dice and they do that activity, then they roll the dice, then they do that activity, roll the dice, then they do that activity. So they shake it up, put it down, and let's see, they got 6, so 6 seconds of side plank. Then they got, let's see, 9, 10, 11 jumping tees, and then 8 squat jumps. And then they shake it up again and go from there. And like I said, I have a lot of these different activities that I'm going to be putting into them. So there it is. The dice will decide. So what I'll probably end up doing too is when I flip this over, some of these pop off real easily, so I just put a little dab of super glue on the outside just to make sure that they all stay in place. So there's another fitness activity.